Hey everyone, I was really excited to do Yellow Day and try this recipe. I don't normally juice peppers, but pineapple, lemon and ginger are old friends. I used the whole pineapple because mine was really small, and of course you need to adjust the ginger to your own taste. My juicer can cope with the middle stone of pineapple, and it's a great thing to juice because it contains a high concentration of bromelain, which are enzymes that have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect and may interfere with tumour cell growth, but you may find your juicer struggles with pineapple full stop. So try it out and see how you get on. You may find you need to cut it up really small and mix it up with other produce and just rotate them. You get in this juice B vitamins C, A, beta carotene, folate, magnesium, manganese, potassium and copper. And a lot of those ingredients are excellent for protecting your eye health and may also help with arthritis. This recipe was used by Joe Cross to celebrate Australia Day.